Let's take a deep dive into the Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm, the surprisingly capable budget smartwatch that's making waves in 2025. Released in late June this year, this wearable packs impressive specs into its compact frame while keeping the price at an accessible €120. What makes this watch special isn't just what it includes, but how Xiaomi managed to deliver such complete functionality at this price point. Starting with the physical design, the Watch S4 41mm features a premium stainless steel construction that gives it a high-end look and feel. The circular case measures 41.2 millimeters in diameter and just 9.5 millimeters thick, making it one of the slimmer options in its class. At only 32 grams, it's lightweight enough that you'll forget you're wearing it during daily use. The watch comes in for attractive color variants: a classic matte black, an eye-catching emerald green, a clean pearl white, and a luxurious champagne gold. Each model features matching colored silicone bands that are soft, durable, and easy to swap if you want to change up your style. Durability is excellent thanks to the 5 ATM water resistance rating. This means you can confidently wear it while swimming in pools or oceans, taking showers, or getting caught in the rain. The front glass uses a scratch-resistant material that holds up well against daily bumps and scrapes. The single physical button on the side provides satisfying tactile feedback when pressed, and the rotating crown allows for easy menu navigation without obscuring the display. Speaking of the display, the 1.32-inch AMOLED panel is where this watch truly shines, with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels packed into its circular face. Everything appears crisp and clear at 320 pixels per inch. But what really impresses is the brightness, reaching 1500 nits for high brightness mode and an incredible 2200 nits at peak. This makes the screen perfectly readable even in direct sunlight, a feature usually reserved for much more expensive watches. Colors pop with excellent saturation and contrast thanks to the AMOLED technology, and the always-on display option keeps your watch face visible while conserving battery. Under the hood, the Watch S4 41mm runs Xiaomi's Hyperos 2, a streamlined operating system designed specifically for wearables. The interface is intuitive and responsive, with smooth animations when swiping between screens. You get access to a wide variety of customizable watch faces through the companion app, ranging from minimalist analog designs to information-dense digital layouts. While there's no expandable storage, the built-in memory provides enough space for all your essential apps and data. Compatibility extends to both Android and iOS devices, though iPhone users may find some features limited compared to Android pairing. Health and fitness tracking represents one of the watch's strongest selling points. The comprehensive sensor array includes continuous heart rate monitoring with medical-grade accuracy, blood oxygen saturation measurement, advanced sleep tracking with REM cycle detection, stress level monitoring, and even a skin temperature sensor that can help detect early signs of illness. The built-in GPS provides accurate location tracking for outdoor workouts without needing your phone nearby. Automatic workout detection recognizes over 100 different activity types, from running and swimming to yoga and even more obscure exercises. Battery life is respectable if not class-leading. The 320 mAh cell typically lasts about 36 hours with moderate use, including notifications, some workout tracking, and always-on display disabled. Heavy users utilizing continuous GPS tracking and the brightest display settings will need to charge nightly, while more conservative users might stretch it to full days. Charging is relatively quick via the proprietary magnetic puck, taking approximately 90 minutes for a full charge from empty. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.4 for maintaining a stable connection to your smartphone, NFC for contactless payments in supported regions, and comprehensive GPS, GNSS support including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS for precise location tracking worldwide. The watch handles notifications well, displaying messages, emails, and app alerts clearly on its bright screen. Android users can even send quick replies directly from their wrist. What's missing? There's no cellular connectivity option, so you'll need your phone nearby for calls and data. Wi-Fi isn't included, nor is onboard music storage. The lack of a speaker means you can't take calls directly on the watch. These omissions help explain the affordable price point while keeping the core functionality intact. Early user reviews praise the comfortable fit, bright display, and accurate health tracking. Some note the occasional software bug that will likely be fixed with updates, while others wish for more third-party app support. The battery life receives mixed feedback, sufficient for most but not exceptional. Overall consensus suggests this represents outstanding value at its price point compared to alternatives in the 100 to 150 euro range. The Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm stands out for its premium build quality, exceptional display, and comprehensive health features. It makes an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts who want robust tracking without breaking the bank, or for style-conscious users who appreciate its sleek design. While power users might want longer battery life or cellular connectivity, most will find this watch meets or exceeds expectations given its affordable positioning. The Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a capable, stylish smartwatch in 2025. Between its bright AMOLED display, accurate health sensors, comfortable design, and water resistance, it delivers where it matters most while keeping the price accessible. For anyone seeking their first smartwatch or looking to upgrade from an older model without overspending, this deserves serious consideration as one of the year's best budget-friendly wearables.